Hello everyone, I'm Annette and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to make a report card. So when it comes to making report cards, there are two options. You can either use Excel to make your report card, or you can choose to use Google Sheets, any of the two. So it's optional. You can pick one where you feel like you're much familiar to. So in this case, in this particular video, I'll be using Google Sheets to make the report card. So I'm first signing in. So after signing in, this is how it's supposed to look. And since it's a new video, a new presentation, I'll be clicking on this blank space sheet since I'm making a new document. So here, this is how it's looking. So after reaching here to the spreadsheet, you're going to find this part. You come here and find this untitled spreadsheet. Since it's indicating that your work is not titled and has no title, and therefore you want to give it a title. So all I have to do is come here and give it a title. Let me say, for example, my report card. Here is the title. So let me say, for example, here I'll be putting names. So in this video, I'll be making like a follow-up of let me say, for example, students' reports. So here is the student's name. Then here maybe I can say Max. Here let me say Max, and I come here and put then in this column I can decide to put let me say grades, just like this. Then after where it's written the student's names, I just have to go down below here, right down here, and think of any name. So let me put my name, Annette. This is the first name. So this is Annette, and coming here to the second. So can just come after writing the first name, come back here to the second name. This third name, let me say you can just write any name of your choice. So here I'm done with the students' names. You can come right here on marks and start to indicate the marks. So once I reach on parts for marks, I can start giving out the marks according to what a child got. So let me say here 80, come to Dylan, let me say she has like a 70. Then we come here to Megan, like a 60. So we are done with allocating the marks. Then we are coming back here to grades, starting with mine and its grades. Yeah, so the grades will be given according to the marks you're seeing right here. Yeah, so when awarding the no, let me first take you back. So when it comes to giving out the grades, you have to come here where it's written this fx, and you press the equal sign. As you've seen, well, the equal sign you press here, it will be visible here on the part for grades. Yeah, so if you're done with that, you come back here and press the VLOOKUP, just like this. Yeah, as you're seeing it. So if you've done that, it will be showing the way you're seeing it visible here. So after clicking on the VLOOKUP, you come here and click on the marks you've allocated. Yeah, like you've seen here. So once after clicking on the mark, it's being visible. It's seen here. So yeah, so after this, I'll come here and put a comma. Yeah, so you come next to this and put a comma, as you've seen. Yeah, so after doing all of this, pressing the VLOOKUP, you're going to come and click all of this, then it will be showing the way you're seeing it's looking here. Then afterwards, you go and press on the F4. It has even brought it here. You press F4 on your keyboard. Yeah, then after I'll press comma 2, comma 1. After pressing comma 2, you press comma 1, then you close the bracket. Yeah, you press comma, then 1. After pressing comma 2, then you press comma 1 and you close the bracket. Yeah, so after closing the bracket, then you press enter. Yeah, so after reaching here, I'll come and press data. Yeah, just like okay, sample. Yeah, after doing that, you come to create filter, and you get to see what you yeah like I was saying. So after you're done with the work, you go and press where it's written data, and you go to create filter, and you click on that. After clicking, you get to see that your work, the names of the students, they have been arranged according to their performance. Yeah, so that's how to make a report card using Google Sheets. So thank you everyone who watched this video, and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like. Yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.